Hey everyone, it's Martin Mi5 back for another video. Today's video is called, it's about DJT stock. If you guys don't know what that means, that's Donald J. Trump, also known as Trump Media. So let's get into this article here. Trump Media is now worth more than Elon Musk X after stock rallies to new highs. Trump Media and Technology Group, which operates Truth Social Media Network, has seen its stock soar in the weeks leading up to November 5th presidential election, and is currently worth more than Elon Musk X, the social media company formerly known as Twitter. How many of you guys still call it Twitter? I do. On Monday, shares of TMTG, which trade under the symbol DJT, finished up 21.6% to 47.36 cents a share in regular trading. The latest surge followed by Trump's Sunday rally at New York City's Madison Square Garden. That gives TMTG, which has reported total revenue of $1.6 million for the first half of 2024 and steep losses, a market capitalization of approximately $9.48 billion. Musk, who acquired Twitter in 2022 in a $44 billion deal, has seen the value of the company, which he renamed X, decline significantly since its takeover. A disclosure last month by Fidelity, which owns a minority stake in X, implied that the investment firm values the company at $9.4 billion. So you see where they're going with this. As reported by CNN, although the report noted that other investors could value X differently. So DJT has passed X's value. Trump beneficially owns 56.6% of TMTG's outstanding shares, making his stake currently worth north of $5.3 billion. Industry analysts believe the jump in TMTG's stock price reflects growth enthusiasm among its investors and that Trump will win the 2024 presidential election over VP Kamala Harris. Referring to TMTG's stock price surging, Gene Munster, manager and partner of venture capital firm Deepwater Asset Management, told CNN in an article published Monday, "I've never seen anything quite like this. This company's value is almost entirely based on outcome of an election." So it is not fundamentals. It is a hype stock, which I love. I love making money off of hype stocks. NEO was a hype stock when I made money off of it. Musk, the world's richest individual, who is the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, is also a major Trump backer. The techno billionaire spoke Sunday at Trump's MSG rally. TMTG, which trades on the NASDAQ, hit a recent low closing price of $12.15 per share on September 23rd. Jesus, I wish I could have bought in then. In the wake of the expiration of a 6-month lockup period during which TMTG insiders were not allowed to sell their stock. Trump has said he has absolutely no intention of selling his shares. TMTG has not released any notable financial news that would have prompted the massive rally for the stock. For the second quarter of 2024, TMTG reported $836,900 in net sales and a loss of $16.37 million per its 10Q SEC filing for the period. For Q1, the company reported $770,500 in revenue and a net loss of $327.6 million. Most of the loss for the first 3 months of the year was due to expenses associated with TMTG's merger with special purpose acquisition company Digital World Acquisition Corp. To become a publicly traded company. TMTG calls Truth Social a safe harbor for free expression amid increasingly harsh censorship by big tech corporations. Trump formed TMTG in 2021 after the former president had been kicked off of Twitter, now called X, Facebook, and Instagram, YouTube, and other internet platforms, which said he had violated prohibitions against inciting violence in connection with January 6th. Okay. Musk, most of you guys already know this. Musk reinstated his account on X when he bought it, and Truth Social launched in early 2022. The company now disclosed how many people use Truth Social, saying in a recent filing that at this juncture in development, TMTG believes that adhering to traditional key performance indicators such as signups, average revenue per user, ad impressions, and pricing or active user accounts, including monthly and daily active users, could potentially divert its focus from strategic evaluation with respect to the progress and growth of its business. Okay, with that said, I did buy some DJT today. I placed a limit order, and let me show you guys what I did. Okay, so we're here on my actual Robinhood platform, Trump Media and Technology Company, also known as DJT, and I placed an order and I bought it. Let me show you real quick. Well, let me just tell you, I bought 20 shares. Average cost $49.99. This is the market value, and already, I know it's not big money yet, but I've already made $1.40. Woo! Yay! But let me just show you what the stock has been doing in case you guys have not been paying attention. Just within this one day chart went from $41 to $50. The week started off around $30.29, so it went up around $20. The month, I mean, we're looking at $16, $15 for a month. We go to 3-month chart. So September 23rd of this year, it was at $12.15. Can you imagine the money people are going to make who scooped it up at that point if they bought in heavy and have an average cost anywhere from 12 to 15, 16 bucks? They're making an absolute killing, and I wish I wasn't paying attention to it, unfortunately. I've been trying to focus on a lot of other EV stocks and things like that. But whether you guys like Donald Trump or not, you should like making money. And if you can make money off of a stock, do it. I'm not in love with every company I invest in. I mean, NEO's cool and all, but I'm not in love with it. If I can make money from it, I will. Or any other company for that matter. I'm a trader. I do day trading and swing trading. I'm not a fundamentalist. I'm not most of them for the long term. I'm a trader. That's how I make my money. And I make more than most long-term holders because I seize my profits and I move on and I buy another hype stock and just keep doing that back and forth, and it works really well for me. So that's it for this particular video. If you guys are into DJT, if you own any shares, let me know how many, your average cost, when you plan to sell, because this thing is at $50 right now, and the closer and closer we get to the election day, November 5th, I think it's going to keep pushing up. I really do. Now, if Trump wins, I think the stock's going to keep going higher still. But if he doesn't, obviously it's going to crash. So be very careful. I'm not advising you guys to buy it. Check into it. Do your own due diligence. Make your calculated reasonings and do what you need to do to make money. But also make sure you do it safely, okay? So that's it for this particular video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you click that notification bell so you'll be notified of my daily uploads, okay? Doing evaluations on NEO and many other stocks, including this one here. I'm going to show you guys how to make money as an entrepreneur. Lots of interesting stuff, so you guys don't want to miss out. You never know what I'm going to upload. That's it. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Good luck.